In order to get an emergency loans with a bad credit, you will need to find lenders that work with the process with the bad credit. Be aware of some of these lenders may be offering loans with the exorbitant fees that can be difficult to repay. Approaching your current bank or credit union may be a good place to start. Your current financial institution may be more willing to let to an existing customer with an established financial history. Finally, applying with the co-signer can improve your approval odds. A co-signer is someone with a good credit score and who agrees to take a responsibility for your loan if you default, decreasing the lender risk. So where can I get emergency loans with a bad credit history? Depending on your other qualifications, you may be able to take out an emergency loans from the bank, credit union or online lender even with the bad credit score. Here where you can get an emergency loan with a bad credit and what you can expect from each. Most banks require consumer have minimum credit scores of at least 670 to qualify for a personal loan. However, some offer loans to customer with the score below the threshold. So interest rates on bank personal loans typically start around 6% and maximum interest rates may be lower than those who online lenders. If you have a relationship with bank, contact a loan officer to learn more about your options, approval odds and likely interest rates. Credit union qualification requires vary by institution, with many loans and credit unions having more lenient emergency loans qualification because credit unions are often commonly oriented. They may look at your loan application more holistically, and larger banks having an existing relationship with the local credit union can make it easier to qualify for the funds in the emergency. Interest rates are often more favorable than those available from online and alternative lenders. Federal credit unions cap annual percentage rates (APRs) at the 18%. Online lenders Online lenders have emerged as an alternative to traditional functional financial institution that can be especially helpful if you have a bad credit score. You typically need minimum scores of 580 to qualify for a loan with an online lender. It is as with the traditional lenders, some platforms specialize in a bad credit browsers, and some don't require browser to have score at all. And interest rates for these types of loans are generally higher than traditional loans, with the rates up to 36% compared to the conventional financial institution. Online lenders may have higher rates, but they have also offered faster funds, more lenient credit approval. So I think so. Alternative to bad credit emergency loans, it is possible to qualify for an emergency loan with a bad credit, but there are few other options that may be better meet to your needs. Here are popular alternatives: bad credit emergency. So credit cards can provide continuous access to funds without lengthy application process. This can be especially beneficial if unexpected expenses arise, as you can quickly or conventionally access credit. Interest rates may be higher at as 25%, 30%, with the less qualified application getting and higher rates. So here are some different companies and lenders. They can provide emergency loans for bad credit history. First of all, the Upgrade, and second one is Event. The minimum score rate is 580, and the average range 9.95 to 35.99, $2,000 to $35,000. The another one is Upstart, Universal Credit, and Lending Point, the Lending Club, and Proposer. So here are these are some companies or lenders that can provide emergency loans for bad credit history. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.